Ooh, that's why your ass smell like a big ass pot of coleslaw, nigga. Ooh, nigga smell like a big ass bowl of coleslaw.
Oh yeah.
That is boss.
Right, we can take turns, man. I ain't gonna be stingy.
Man, Mama said let me ride the dirt bike.
I done broke the front tire. We ain't riding nothing.
Wow.
Mama said let me ride the dirt
bike.
I still got 5 more minutes.
Ma.
Bro, what the freak?
You killed my brother!
Was it 2 niggas? Oh, they holding me on. TJ, he's hooching me. He was hooching me. No. He gonna make you watch, bro.